Is your detachable face to your CD player hard to remove? Well, here's one way to remove it. There you go, that's how you remove it. Have a great day. Welcome back to another Matthumanpizza video. This video we're going to be removing the passenger seat. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's do it. You remove the 4 bolts down there, you grab the seat, and you pull it out just like so. There you go. Let's pull that seat out. That's how you remove it. Installation is reversal of removal, and now you have a nice greenhouse. I'm going to turn this old car into a greenhouse. Going to grow some green beans and carrots in the wintertime. It's going to be fantastic. Just got to get that umbrella out of the way, get that other seat out of there, and maybe the back seat out of there, and flatten it out, and just have a good old time. That's how you remove your passenger seat. Have a great and wonderful day. This has been another Matthumanpizza video.